Welcome to Krantiveer Vasantrao Narayan Rao Naik Shikshan Prasarak Sanstha's Arts, Commerce and Science College of Nasik, Savitribai Phule Pune University and Pani Foundation. Due to scanty rainfall, many regions in the district suffer from water shortage. Agriculture and human life as a whole is affected because of insufficient water. The institution decided to work on the crucial issues. In consultation with its stakeholders, the institution accepted the challenge of provision of sufficient water to rural people. Many villages and tehsils of Maharashtra have been declared drought affected due to scarcity of water. These also include Nashik district, Sinnar Taluka and Vadzire village, and that's why we have chosen to make Vadzire village a watershed. Objectives: to overcome the problem of scanty rainfall, to conserve water, to save water, to enrich overall human life, to contribute to nation building. 4 camps of 1 week organized by college for rainwater harvesting for absorption of water. A camp was organized on behalf of the Pani Foundation team to understand the methods of water harvesting like CCT, LBS and WAT, etc. Villagers and volunteers were given proper training through the camp. To create awareness among the people, there were street plays, poster displays and soil testing programs have been organized. First camp was organized in Vadzire village from 12th May 2018 to 18th May 2018. PO and volunteers have constructed CCT on mountain. Chairman also volunteered in building CCT on mountain. In first camp, 81 CCTs, 3 LBTs and 2 WAT were constructed. Prepared 2 WAT in state level water conservation camp having capacity of 12 lakh litre water per year. Prepared 3 LBS in water conservation camp having capacity to save 40 lakh litres water per year. For Green Village, prepared 3,000 medicinal saplings such as Neem, Tulsi, Ashwagandha, Brahmi, Hirda, Moh, Zaifar, Raktachandan, etc. for in-state level water conservation camp at Vadzire Village 2018-19. Second camp was organized on 1st of May 2019. In our second camp, 30 CCT and earlier built CCTs, LBS were constructed. "40 short, 20 feet long, 2 feet deep CCTs were constructed by volunteers with villagers. 300 feet long, 2 feet deep CCTs were constructed by volunteers with villagers. Third camp was organized in Vadzire village from 18th December 2018 to 23rd of December 2018. In our third camp, earthen dams were constructed. Before construction, Soil Dam 1 and after construction, Soil Dam 1. Fourth camp was organized in Vadzire village from 23rd of December 2019 to 30th of December 2019. In the fourth camp, earthen dams were constructed. Before construction of Soil Dam 2 and after construction of Soil Dam 2. Volunteers and teachers enjoyed during the work. Earthen dam constructed through camp. Water capacity has been increased up to 60 lakh litres per year in the Vadzire village. Total work done by the camp. 101 CCT were constructed. 3 LBS were constructed. 2 WAT were constructed. 2 earthen dams were constructed through camp. Due to this water conservation camp, the quantity of water has been increased by about 4 crore liters. Accordingly, water shortage capacity increases 2 months more than the earlier water capacity of Vadzire village. Due to water conservation camp and work done by the villagers, the Vadzire village has got first rank in Tehsil level of Maharashtra state government and started training center in village. Vadzire village nowadays treated as an ideal village through this water conservation activity camp organized by our college through NSS activity. The benefit of the water conservation scheme is being extended to Nashik, Satara, Kolhapur, Ahmednagar and Aurangabad as well as other districts of Maharashtra state. Due to the water harvesting done in Vadzire village, due to sunlight on the land of the village, greenery has increased. There is a huge response of the people from different areas to see the Vadzire village as an ideal village of water conservation. Due to this water conservation work, the people, the farmers in the village now lead a happy and prosperous life because of sufficient water. Nearby villages such as Naigaon, Jaigaon, Brahmanwadi have been benefited by this activity camp. Before work and after work. As a result of this remarkable work, the year-long drought situation has been brought under control and women have been relieved of the burden of fetching water. Program officers who worked on site have published one research paper in UGC Care listed journal on water conservation by CCT, WAT and LBS through NSS work. The college was honored by the Pani Foundation for its excellent work in the Pani Foundation camp. Volunteers participated in paper presentation competition. Volunteers presented the paper on water conservation worked at Vadzire village, Nasik and got first prize in district level competition. For outstanding work, college was awarded as Best NSS Unit by SPPU. The motto of NSS is, "Not me, but you."